The good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 22 from verse 39 to verse 71. Jesus go on Mount Olive just like him always do. And him special follower them, they go with him. When he reached there, Jesus said to them, say, pray say no face, nothing where we cause on for sin. Jesus go one side, not too far from them, and kneel down and pray. Father, if you want to do it, take that cup here from me. But if I know that you want, all right then. One angel from heaven come to Jesus and make him strong. Jesus did a suffer and that make him pray harder. Him sweat coming like blood, a drop of ground. Jesus get up from which part him did that pray. Him go back to him special follower them. Uncle Fissy say, them asleep. Them did tired out because all of the sitting them where Jesus did tell them did a take it well hard. Jesus asked them, we make you asleep. Get up and pray, man, so you no face nothing where we cause you for sin. When Jesus did still attack, all of a sudden one crowd come down. One of Jesus' 12 apostles them, the one we named Judas, did I lead them. Him go for kiss Jesus. But Jesus asked him, say, Judas, you're going to use one kiss and sell out the man where God pick. Jesus special follower them see what got and say, Lord, if we take the sword and fight them, no. The leader for the priest, them servant, did it. And one of Jesus' follower them taking sword, chop off in right ears. Jesus said, "Uno tap it." Then Jesus touched the man's ears and fix it back. Jesus said to the head priest them, the man them were in charge of the guard them for God's house, and the elder them will come to him. I come with sword and big tick for arrest me like me a old thief and murderer. Every day me there God house we do know. And uno never arrest me. But this a full time, and the time when the one will rule over darkness awoke. Then grab Jesus and take him away, go to the leader for the priest them house. Peter follow them, but not too close. Then them build one fire in the middle of the courtyard and sit down together. And Peter sit down with them. One servant girl see Peter sit down in the firelight. She look upon him good and say, that man ya did amongst him too. But Peter say, a lie she tell. Woman, me no know him, Peter say. Little later, somebody else see Peter and say, you are one of them. Peter say, look here, man, me and no one of them. About 1 hour after that, one another man talk out strong, say, me sure said that man ya, a one of them special follower of them, because him come from Galilee too. Peter say, man, me no know where you chat about. Same time, Peter chat, the rooster crow. The Lord turned and looked straight upon Peter, and he remember what the Lord did say to him. Before the rooster crow, you will say, you don't know me 3 times. Peter go out a door and bawl, so till the man them with it again, Jesus, start laugh after him and beat him up. Then put cloth over his eye and say, so you say you're a prophet, so tell me, who lick you? And then say all sort of other terrible things against him. When morning come, the group will make up of the head priest and the law teacher, they meet up and get order for Jesus come before them. Them say, if you are the Christ, tell we. Jesus answer, if me tell you, you not go believe me. And if me ask you, you not go answer. From now on, the man where God pick, I go sit down at the right hand of God, we powerful. All of them ask him, say, so you are God pick me? Jesus answer and say, are you say so? Then them say, Where we want more witness for? We hear it come out of him own mouth. A God what this? Thank God